Good afternoon, everybody! Mga ka-premyo, Chama Reps Your Hearts. May NMAX po tayo ngayon, guys. Nasa spot cost is 108. The down payment is 8,900. 12 months, 10,310. 24 months, 6,130 months. 5,255. So, if ever mag-installment po tayo, guys, by rebate, 200. Color is Lucy Blue. Yan siya, guys. Maganda pa yan siya. Kompleto pa yan siya. May side mirror pa yan siya, guys, ha. So, walang kiren. Wala pa rin. Medyo walang ligo. Mas maganda ito compare sa maganda ito, guys. Yan. Ang udo, hindi natin makita yung udo, guys. Kasi, ano, guys, wala pa itong pati tinanggal. So, hindi natin masasabi ang odo niya, guys, kung ilan. So, complete pa naman, guys. Maganda. Maganda yun siya, guys. So may gas-gas lang siya. Konti, may gas-gas. Yun siya, guys. May gas-gas din. Konti lang naman. So, pwede na rin. Kita nyo, guys, yan. Oh, that's all. Thank you for watching, everybody. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, and thank you very much for watching, guys. And this is Watch Boy. Bye.